ye too much GH. Other for a cover sonko and come over be as a done damunya a bre, edgy, eja, eti, and some my day, ever so more, too much GH. So I had a open some new support. I hear and now Ubeniano, who say your home, El Cobe Frobiana can say, and then I just a whoop, Yana Simbi, and Etie. Muniaba a case cavan and so minimum Eddie, Edshey. Na and net ye a young cophobia as a woman dear, a canisika dear, one would do more a cutting and as it is a would do what in Timayan Casa. And then woman saw woman not to say, what dinner, woman and one at akwa drew your man penny as so ne no na enkrofo bi wo ho no mo hwa se de nyoma ekọ so woman kasebia na woman fa yi antu eyi a enkrofo no ebefa wo mo esekan edi edwa na kana ensema mekan yi ni abema resuma enede wakasa like odi man penny his excellence na dankwa ekufuado ehu efel na no ama akona na ensuso abamu ababekasa edi etia na busuafo mo mayembonra ensem no emu said the money no said yenua bema obo time ano wo music amuno nkrofo babonten edebebe tu edwa say abranti misika diem na wo mu edi e wo music animu enya de so wo mu boa ema impuntu obia ebemu na sensei no woni resuma wo masoa wo mu ho afisa ko ni makwa akwadwen gambro womo edi djuma na wono susu no sikadie na womo kọ tese eno na womo to so womo edi wo ho no na we na enye yenua bema resuma okotena FM station radio fidikasia so ene wode ye mampanyi ene yenua former president John Dramani Mahama woye comparison chirem say ane Ghana fo bi no anase na mampanya wote akonya so say NDC fo incompetent na senka NDC fo disease and come malaria nemom eba no MPP na nadro mamuo pa dia wo mo de corruption do mo ya de wo ho na wo no de MPP amemonu so one must ye pe disease be at the ama woman come de omo ye Ebola and e bi krampo de so say anka ye for coronavirus mpo e ma wo mo na nensam a wo ka che wo twa ebo ye mampanya ye kan anye ye nua bema akona na ede na abusuam mo enkotie resuma ensem no ye ba ye de akona na so de no ebeto a eso
MPP person you defend your party, that's right. You also defend your party. So at the end of the day, we are not giving him 4 more years to come and continue clearing corrupt people. We are not giving him 4 more years to come and collapse indigenous businesses. We are not giving him 4 more years to come and extend the long sleeve. This thing, no. We are not giving him 4 more years because, said, you see, Mahama, Momo target Mahama as incompetent. Sana Mahama is diseases, in diseases. Say, you choose Mahama is malaria. I could find the government here, Ebola.
Is he Rex Oma? Gambro, you know they fit do nothing, but you see the way they insult Nana Akufo-Addo. You see him?
Yes. 4 more to come and continue clearing corrupt people. He came and said first he's going to save the public purse. While renting private jets, spending taxpayers' money $17,000 an hour by renting private jets. Man, 4 more. Oh, Massa.
You see the way Gambro boss, they insult the president of Ghana. Gambro boss. You see Rex Oma? You see in disrespectful life.
4 more years to extend the friends long sleeve, long sleeve. Stop.
Oh.
You are talking about say,
is he Rex Oma?
Wey ane ensemwa resuma edi etu dwane no ena ehye akona na ensuso ebufu a wono suso aba abonten atoto amane resuma ekache ne se na mo no wo ba ye gamro mu no de na wo ye ensuso ejapade a wo kasa wo edan a wasisie nyoma wanya se yini nyina na ye bu hu akontant nka wo ubetimi abu ubetimi abu mo sori a ena mitua we kase miyese enso ebie ni wo amoye sika no moka ensusu ni sika no dodo na no mo amonchen ena ewo sika na mudie modede muni mani sika na nya aba na mudie munim hwe ena obobo ema bia wo mo susu dwan ye ekuo na achese ye bo eye ekuo bi kura bodi a wo munim bibia ede fom ena otimu sa abrante na ni abre pa wo huni se wo so kanya nsasem bi ede to resume ene eye gamro mpenifo no eye board of directives no oka ensem bi ede kire wo mo emo hunu se nyansa eni ba kufuo etirimo na eye de ya wo bi efudwina na no nkire se nipa no eni nyansa ene okeka ya ede eye wona bo Canada Japan krapo edi ba mu ka je se ehwehwemu nkoso because eye papa no hunu se wo ya ade wo hwehwemu wa kwadre ewo ehwehwemu nti ene ehwehwemu enkoso na eye Rexoma ne wo mo wo honom no sikadia wo mu edi no mo bra ponten na wo mo fa bra buku mu na wo mo nkire enioma eno susu no womo edi se sika ne ene de ekeka ho ni nyina eye na we mu nyina ka ho bi ene wo man no entimi enkoso mo man kotie eye akona na wono susu ne nsam a wodi etu eja.
Hi, good evening, fam. I did a post earlier on my Instagram, Rexoma accusing the president of Ghana misusing Ghanaian money for private jets. Hey, Uncle Rex, Ghanaians, Rexoma is the chairman for Gamro, and can I tell you guys something you don't know? Obuo, Diana Houston, Bessa Simons. Look at Obuo. Diana Houston, musical. They are the board members. They are the board members for Gamro. Call Diana Houston on phone and ask her things about royalty collection system. She doesn't even know. But they are the board there. And you, Rex, have the guts to sit on radio to insult the president of Ghana. Ghana, for before Rexoma came in power, no Kita Renault Clio, small car bill. Now, I want everybody to ask Rexoma how many cars or properties or how did he acquire all those property? If you have the guts to sit on radio, kana zage, uya omampenia, unimse umbuadie. Akwara penny penifo akwara suye unimse umbushe. I don't take salary. I don't take. I'm doing this. You take salary into you seek a deal for Gambro. We a concert party for disika because look, Ghanaians, the expenses Gambro is doing, their expenses is more than what they pay Ghanaian musicians. Honorable Canada Japan, Misrel, Papa we Rexoma to meet Sena. Radio edidi nana Akufo-Addo tem say o di Ghana sika o yese dia or the Ghana sika air rent private jet a me pese mu investigate Gambro any unknown Rexoma no so ka ho mu investigate Gambro any unknown Rexoma. We want Gambro to be investigated, to be audited, proper audited, and tell us why should your budget be more than what you are paying the Ghanaian musicians. You pay musicians 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana, 200 Ghana. How much is your salary monthly? And you come back and tell us that you are doing this for free. No. Yep, Rexoma showing country will be on Jimmy. You say Jimmy Nyomana, who to meet in a radio, no, who the president, some Kwasiadina, ye come and aku to say Jimmy Nyomano, who now sorry, I'll meet you in court. Do mistake. Mpenifo, yes, Remo. Gambro, a sika D entity, me catch Rexoma. Mesaka bio sika G entity nti jai jimina utumi sorry na udidi mpenifo atem on radio no na ya fix Gambro because Ghanaian musicians we want everybody to clear off Gambro so that it will be an empty vacancy na nkrofo from Bambe ye hoye because mono mwapon. Look at Obi said Diana Houston. What do you know about royalty? Obuo mu nyina motito best after fucking up musical ma be shega Gambro on is can wo. The whole is kind of one Rexoma. You have the gas. You don't know. Come to my office. Unim YouTube office. So just cafe YouTube concert party. Mu sorry mu yetu ska na mu diska mu ye expenses fuel. Say we live on fuel. We give fuel allowance in town. Concert phone kwa na mu go. Who fi say musicians beto na mu di won. Ebe end this Jimmy nkwasi asem mi nyina end Gambro. Rexoma, ye pese ye hu nyoma wo nyina. How did you acquire them? 2. Ye pese ye hu expenses amu Gambro mu ye. Any send a mutual musicians who to be better radio. No way disclose who to a Stonebwoy 1,000. Who ferry now salary will be a catch order. Ye nu salary audio. Ye nu fuel allowances pa ubia anka. Rex, me say mu ye sike deal for. Yempem wa Gambro bium. Gambro, you guys for come on for there. Make the system work. And Attorney General, Mr. He sits on radio. Oh, Attorney General's office is investigating us. Attorney General, he is using your name everywhere. Rexoma is using the Attorney General's name everywhere. Oh, Attorney General gave people to investigate to audit our place. He is disrespecting the president of the land. The man, the president of the land, the same person is sitting on radio talking about him that is using Ghanaian money for this. So Attorney General, please, we are begging you, Daddy. We are begging you, man. Anybody in authority, please. We want Gambro to be investigated and audited right. Because if he, Rex Oman, says he knows what the president is doing, oh, fine. Then I don't know Rex Oman is BNI. If he's BNI, then we should also investigate him. Please, we have to investigate Gambro and the chairman, Rex Oman. I don't know you can talk, you can disrespect presidents like that. If it's some country, Rex Oman, they arrest you long time. Ghana, we are begging Rex Oman. They should leave office. Gambro, everybody must clear. After the auditing, Attorney General, Mr. He is using the Attorney General's office everywhere. They are investigating us. They've given us auditors. Which auditors? Look, now the Attorney General is listening and they are coming after you hardly because we don't want no corruption. Hashtag no more corruption in Gambro.
Wey ene and someone no so edi egu apono so ebra resuma eba ye obebeke kan adweno no so ne dia wode eba ye enie na in some way esi ye no na Ghana fo bi no mo so si ene na je se mpanifo a ewo mayi mu wo mo mo de adwuma yeko anu no wo mo edi wo me ya bropan because enoma wo mo nya efri sense wo mo ya adwuma bi ti wo mo ya adwuma bi panyi wo mo ya adwuma bi mpanifo enti no wo mo koso a ejina sa tumi ana ye wo mo wo so edidi se sika no na je se wo mo di wo mayi abrontie hu ebenya se nhwehwemu enkoso na na bi no mo zo wo akona na wonya na asem na wo no so ko ye panyi bi ewo ba bi asa so na no so no wo be ye den a wo beto ka wo no so wo be fa sa ye adwuma no panyi a wanya ne ti no benefit e be ba no so be fa bi de esi adan ono so be fa bi de aye ne hu enti e ma ne nya se because of this say woni to me bi ana se wonya panyi bi anti no e na wo kasa ensem nti wonya krakara na ye de ne ma na se the position bi e ma na anka wo no so no wo be di se adwuma na enti no yemfa ma no e na wo kasa ensewe na ke de ama na anka sa e na wo be enti wonya de wo keka no e kra abusiafo se de ensem yi ekoye won so so wo fe sen e na wodwin esi efa eye de akona na e ka no eye no kwan so ano no ana se enye no kwan so na eye resuma so wakunya se wotimi ekasa editi amampanya wote adwaso e ma no eyeye se de agin ne akire bia no fabra e wotuma gh comment section e bia mu so chef mu abusiafo e all social media platforms say Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter. Follow your Instagram page so @tumagh_ na repel no madin channel ye dibegu apono so e de amamu media ene akua sikapa dasene ye besane hia makram.